Hello and welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to build the header of our project. So in the last video, we collect the WebDB API key to fetch the data. So in this tutorial, I'm going to full focus on building the header part of this applications. Let's go to the VS Code to start the coding. So first off, we have to go inside the pages in index.js file. Okay, so I'll create a folder here. This would be the components. Inside the components, we'll create another folder. Inside the component, another folder which would be the pages. Inside the pages, we have to create the home because we are working on the home pages. Inside the home page, I will create index.js file. That would be the sub home pages of our project. So I don't want to write any kind of component complexity in the actual pages in index.js file. So in this file, I will just import this file inside the component file. So basically that would be the sub home page, So this file I wanted to import here because I don't want to complex this file. I want to clean as much as possible this file, because inside this file I will write the server-side functions here, and I will manage the state here. So that's why I don't want to complex the component here. So I have to import this file. Okay, so here I made this the spelling. Okay, index it is showing here. Cool. So the color is taking from here. I don't want from here. Cool. Now I have to create a folder inside the home. That would be a sections folder. So I will write all of the component inside the sections. Now I'm working on the header. So basically the file would be the headers, not headers, it would be header.jsx. So RFC is a shortcut format to create a code snippet. So I'm using the React ES67 code snippet. You can use that to get this code snippet. So basically I have to import the header file inside the home sub-home page. Okay, cool. I should see header. Okay, yep, header is working fine. Now we start working with the header portion. I'm closing every file. Just I have to open the header portion. Okay, basically if you look into the header part, there is a background color, right? There is a background color. So, and there is a two part. One is a title, we can say logo, and another one is a user info. So there will be a two portion. One is logo and one is the image and header. So basically we have to give the background color first. That would be BG primary. We already configured our primary color here. So make sure you imported, the path is perfectly okay. Double check if it is not same as me, do it. So your Tailwind style won't be work. Just make sure your path is properly imported inside the content area. I wanted to give the height is it is the 60px. So basically if I write the 60px, so we can write the px inside the class name, right? This is the new feature of the Tailwind. So it's 60px. Now we are going to divide this two portion, the movie and the user info. So first of all, I have to give like the container. I have to take the container. So we'll also configure the container before. Inside the h3 we will write the movie logo, movie media. For now we are taking its the logo for our applications. And inside the div, it would be a John D and we need a div for image. We will use the next image. Sorry, it will be single close. Okay, let's write it manually. So image will come from next image. So we have to specify the source, we have to specify the alter, and next image required width and height. Without width and height it won't work, it will throw an error. So keep in mind to specify the width and height. So for image, I wanted to image height would be and width would be 40px, this one. So 40px. So let's specify the width and height 40px. Height would be also 40px. Okay, fine. Now overflow hidden these images, and I wanted to rounded full because it's a butter, right? So that's why we have to give the rounded full. What happened? Oh, we have to specify the image source, that's why. So I just take a image source from internet. So I'll show a tweak here. If you want to use the external image in the Next.js, how can you do that? Because I got some error when I'm working on that. So I'll show you how to resolve that. So if I just copy the image address and paste it here. Okay, so just keep in mind our image domain is https://images.unsplash.com, right? So if you want to use the external image inside the Next.js, keep in mind you must have to specify the image domain inside the next.config.js file. See, I already specified the image domain inside the config file. So what you have to write? You have to write images, that would be an object. Inside the object you have to write the domains. Domains would be an array. Inside the array you have to specify the image domain. It can be multiple. You can write inside just a comma separated below. That should work. So if you didn't specify the image domain, your external image won't be work. Just keep in mind. So as I said, we have to specify the width and height. Perfect. Let's see how it's going. Cool. So we are seeing our images, image avatar is already created. So I wanted to if user click the header, that should redirect in the home page. So I'm using the next link. href would be the /. Perfect. Okay, so these two would be the justify between, right? Let's do that. Inside beside the container, flex and justify between. See, these are now justify between. Okay, let's design this title first. So the h3 would be last name, and I wanted to text excel pt4 padding buffer, cursor pointer, and text white, and tag a font also bold. Let's see how it's going. See, now it's showing perfectly. So that movie media, maybe I missed the spelling here. Movie should be movie media. Okay, perfect. Now work on this div. So I think this div is not perfectly aligned. Here it is showing the proper design, but it is not here. We have to design this. So in this div we have to give empty, like the margin top empty 17px, and the cursor should be pointer. So let's see if it is okay. See, it is already placed in the right place. So we have to give the design in the P, that should be font medium, text white, and I wanted to margin left -3 because I wanted to, it should be in center. That's why I'm just margin left -3. So if you want to write the minus value of the Tailwind margin padding or something like that, you should have to be added the minus hyphen symbol front of the class name. See, this is in the center. Perfect. So I think, okay, I think that's it. We already completed the header. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. In the next video, we will start working on search bar. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.